Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Welcome back, my wisdom warriors. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. A St. Elizabeth woman and her mother have been charged in relation to the killing of her spouse on Monday in Roses Valley. Reports indicate that about 2:45 a.m., Horace Vassell and his spouse, 24-year-old Amanda Stewart, were involved in a domestic dispute which became physical. Miss Stewart's mother, 43-year-old Lisa Patricia Moore, joined in the fight. Mr. Vassell was chopped several times with a machete. The police were alerted and Mr. Vassell was transported to the Mandeville Hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. Both women were taken into custody and later charged after being questioned. My viewers and subscribers know. When I say I them something you know. Wanna hear, Lord Jesus. You see, sometime, boy, them something enough happen, them something enough happen. Because look, the man loses his life. You understand? You see, anyway, you see violence of relationship of violence and it is toxic. Una have to come out of them the relationship there. Una have to come out of them the relationship there. Because look now, the woman and the man a fight and then the mother come in there and una see what take place now. A life has been lost. You see me? Sometimes you see in a worth it, it don't worth it. When violence and crime all them something in a relationship, it not worth it. What's the point of having a relationship where every day you get up and a fight? It don't make no sense. Every day you get up and fight. I don't think say I love me gonna fight. Every day you get up and physically fighting. How can you have your woman? You have your husband and wife, and son love each other. I want to get up every day and fight. No, sir. Me not call that love. Me call that something else. But that could never be love. Every day, sir. No, sir. Want to stop it. Stop it seriously, man. Can't in a relationship and a fight physically. And you see the man them too. The man they love lick, That's one next thing. Sometimes they beat the woman them, So till the woman they can't take it no more. They just get mad and just lose it. You understand me? These things are not right. You understand? If you're in a one toxic relationship, you have to try to find a way to come out, man. Because it lead to, see where it lead this a man to know. You understand me? But when you tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section, I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. Man in need of help to remove a cyst from his chest. My viewers and subscribers, man in need of help to remove a cyst from his chest. Wanna know why I bring this across? Wanna know why? Because them say healthcare is free. Them say healthcare is free. My viewers and subscribers, hear this. A father's quest to get back to good health. A man is seeking help for a surgery to remove a cyst from his chest that has left him in excruciating pain. Listen, this a man have cyst in his chest where it a grow. Yeah? Andrew Wallace and Christopher Tufton get up every day and say healthcare free. If healthcare is free, this a man wouldn't have to come out and ask for help. This a man should not come out and ask for help, Listen, you see when time people need for the surgery, you understand, it is life-threatening. So when people have some kind of cyst or anything they have, any type of sickness and they need surgery to be done, the government will make it free. Because the people they care. You tell me say the people them have to find the money for us. Sometimes the people they can't even find blasted food. And you tell me say they can't find food. And you tell me say them have to find how much thousand figure do surgery. This a man don't have the money. This is why him come out and ask for help. He's seeking help for surgery. And they say healthcare free. So how no work out this one, you know? No tell me. Oh, no tell me, because when me I beat Christopher Tufton bad, no for wanna get vexed in my comment section. So no tell me. Tell me, talk. This a man I need help. This year is life threatening and he need help for the surgery, and they say healthcare is free. So if healthcare free, how comes this a man out to seek help? Listen to me, you need to do better than that. You need to make the healthcare free, because people are pay them blasted tax. People are pay tax and you collect over 80 billion a year. You understand? Every year, Andrew Owens collect over much a billion taxpayer money, over 80 billion, yeah, a year. Why wanna get so much money? When people have surgery for do, wanna for make sure that it's free. Yeah, tell me say people have a life-threatening case going on. Surgery need to be done and them have to go find the money first. Them must up me a madness. It is madness when I have too much money for all these things happening. You understand me? I want to take in the gentleman and then we elaborate on it.
Squeezy, and from a squeezy, kind of feel it scratch me, and I scratch it, so I take them and swell up a little bit, but it never big. So I go to a clinic for Albertown, and then send me to give me a referral, so I must go Falmouth. If I go Falmouth to a skin specialist, him inject it, and from the inject it does start swell up.
My wisdom warriors, and I see all them something you know. The man say friend ain't got doctor and they inject it. Yesterday in doctor there too, me notice anytime people go hospital in a Jamaica, the first thing they do is give them injection. Why? Every time they give an injection, they in there see sometime all 50, 60,000, 40,000, 30,000 for injection. When they can do, they can't give them something different. Why them always inject them? Or what is?
After they say, me have to go come up with some money. We lose doing surgery. So it can't bother me, I no have it. Tell you the truth, I no have it. Because
My
me cut them while me cut the them, they
this
don't want to pay me.
surgery cost
have me the grow and
about
come
$200,000. $200,000 for do this a surgery. This the government fit them are sitting here, the government fit do free.
Just strip off it. Some more while it drain and the smell stink on my chest. So till it take them and broke out now, so till they get to me. So I can't manage no more. But they hurt me every day, more and more.
My wisdom warriors, all them suck me on a right. All them suck me on a right. You understand? Just because he do not have the help and the government cock up and a chat about them, love Jamaican people.
Sit down and something, so you kind of feel away. I never used to beg, so I just ask my virgin them also if just help me. Even when I feel a better now, I can just work and give them it back. Because I don't like beg. Yeah, I don't like sit down, because I just love to work. Because I look at you them same way if you take care of.
My wisdom warriors. So, when I hear what the man say, he have a little youth them. I think 3 kids him have. You understand? And 8 years since him do this job. But look, when I hear what him say I just a small bum come up. And what him say, he got the clinic. Listen, and friend then give him the injection, the man say just a swell up. Listen to me. Friend start to swell up, then should I help the man from that time. Now it get worse. And now them a tell the man say he have to come up with too much money. Nearly 200,000. No, the man have to go find somebody will only get pay $5,000 a day. Sometimes he not even get pay when he go work. When you hear what him say, when he go work, sometimes they not even want to pay him. I be a go round thing. You understand? Listen, the government fi make the healthcare free. Come here, always hear people say, if free, what free? Not free. Not a blasted thing, not free. You understand? What Andrew Wallace and Christopher Tufton are doing with the money. Cases like this, the man have to come out now, fi come beg. Fi come beg. The man not like beg, but the man have to come out, come beg, because what? The man have children fi take care of. You understand? The man have kids for take care, I have kids for feed. And just because all the government then so workless, yeah? The way all they so workless, they not even cater for their own. Me tell you no all the while, say, Christopher Tufton and Andrew Owens do not care about on the health. Me tell you no all the while over here, I don't feel a joke thing. This is a perfect example. And it's not only him alone I go through these things. A lot of more people are go through this right now. A lot of people want to go do surgery and can't do surgery. You don't know that? A lot of people want to do surgery and can't do surgery. Enough people end up and dead because they do not have the money. All of them something have to cut out. You don't need to step out and you don't need to demonstrate. These are the things you have to demonstrate. What do you know? You don't know, say, you don't have the power in your hand. You don't always sit down. Something like this, you know, every not because it happen to me, you know. You understand? Nobody no know when sickness are gonna stop a people door, you know. Nobody. So no always help our brothers and sisters. So if you no see how we can go out and protest, you know, if you protest against this, the government will make healthcare free. If you make healthcare free, you understand? Simple medication they not even have in the hospital. Simple Panadol, headache pill they not even have in the hospital. Them. I some joker thing this, joker place for a country that receives so many billions for health. Where is all that money going to? This is my question. I want to talk Christopher Tufton, you know, because he every day and get up on a run because for him health is good. What happened to Jamaican people health? What happened to Jamaican people health? Sometimes they piss me right off because when me hear people come out and say, leave Christopher Tufton alone because healthcare for free because we not pay tax, we don't have sense. We not pay tax for not pay tax. These things supposed to be free. Education, healthcare, dental. They must up me if it be free. Can not pay tax. We not pay tax for them. We not pay tax for. Talk it truth. We not pay tax for. Talk it truth. Seriously, man. This is some joke thing, and this is not right. This is not right. The man says sometimes the thing gets stink. Sometimes it gets stink. Come on, man. Come on. And from the doctor, they inject the man said that's so they don't love give injection too much at Jamaica. That me notice we don't know. As somebody drops injection, as you know, say one little solid inject, I don't know if it cut out that shit. But injection. The man all I use antibiotic ointment. And the man said the more he use the antibiotic ointment, well I never hear this apart about he used antibiotic ointment. You understand? And it's not helping. Why is he even using that? We don't know say that not help. We don't know that doctor said that not go do nothing. What the man for do is a surgery. So no need for do the blasted surgery. The healthcare need for free. When it comes to complex situation, it needs to be free. Like seriously, man. That's why I come sometime and beat on you know, and cuss on out. Because when I get up every day and say, oh, we care for the poor people and we love Jamaican people, we have to stop tell lie. We don't love nobody but on a damn self. Imagine taxpayer pay how much billion a year and we can't even use the money and help Jamaican people. That is wrong. It is so, but what I do with the money? Save it for who? And plus, when you get all the money where you collect and wellness from some more agreement, and where you save it for how much billion you get grant do now? What to do with all of that? You know, Jamaica not poor, you know, my viewers and subscribers. Jamaica is rich, but I show the government corrupt. Them use the money and do other things which not make no sense. Which no make no sense. We don't know what them are do, but the other things them are using and do. If them are packety, boy, it is sad. And no see more knows the government a packet on the money and cock up every day and I run out for Andrew honest. A joke thing. Uno no want not no good for yourself, man. Uno no want not no good. But my wisdom warriors, uno tell me what to think about this because I see this, it really touch a nerve, you know. You understand? And as I said, I know him wanna go through this, you know. And many more people are go through this, you know. Many more people want to go to surgery today and can't afford it. They want to beg and don't know if and do not know where to start. Some people shy. Some people not have the guts to come out and beg. It is not right. It is not right. So the government need to do something about this. The government need to do something about this. This is why I want Mark Golding to come to be Prime Minister. Yes, I want Mark Golding to be Prime Minister because Mark Golding vision we have is totally different from Andrew Holness. My viewers and subscribers, if anybody want to assist this gentleman, please, I can contact him at 876-508-1785. You can contact him at 876-508-1785. My viewers and subscribers, remember, you know, every little make a muckle. So anything you don't have, from you can send it, you can just reach out, and you can make it know, say, you hear it off of the press, and, you know, you just want to bless him with something. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, hear this.
Really, Resh?
Hold your lane.
The question of whether
Keep in your
send it
lane.
tonight. Send it tonight. The question as to whether or not it's a point about arrest with me.
It is incompetence why this is happening now on your part, Minister. You're an incompetent minister. something as urgent as this from yesterday morning at least, and you come here, you don't even know. You don't even hold your corners.
Senator Knight. Senator Knight.
Neither. Well,
I mean KD Knight, wild them up. Hey, KD Knight, no easy, you know, my viewers and subscribers, is still have a fire in a him, you know, man. I mean, whole on the corner, boy. I want to feel like whole on the corner and staying on a blasted lane. On a know so the Prime Minister is a very, very, very incompetent Prime Minister. You understand? It look like on not even say Kamina Johnson she. The whole of them always run up and down for Andrew. Me not understand why the whole of them always feel like them for defend Andrew Holness. All when the man in a rank, them a defend Andrew Holness. All Tom Tavares, I lift all him for lift up from outer House of Parliament. Real thing. It's just the truth. If I check some of them background, you know, my viewers and subscribers, you wouldn't believe your ears, much less your eye. My wisdom warriors, me say if you ever run them file and not normal, you not go believe. If you no run for them file. So I don't know why some of them come in a House of Parliament are going like them up to standard when they know so they're not up to no standard. This is why I respect KD Knight, you know. This is a man on fire, you know. All the time, my viewers and subscribers. So I say I have to come show the KD Knight. I mean, hold them blasted corner, because they know so them Prime Minister is not a competent Prime Minister. He's a very incompetent Prime Minister. Yes, man, run them way. I want to stay on a blasted lane. I want to feel like, hey, when the boss talking, you know, man, no dog back. My wisdom warriors. Me I go show now a small clip with Andrew Holness. Yeah? Everything with Andrew Holness talk about himself. Hear this.
I don't want you to come to me with that foolishness, you know. You elect a prime minister, and as a prime minister run the country. It is time we learn to hold our leaders accountable for their actions and stop making excuses for them.
My wisdom warriors, who that attack? Wanna tell me who that attack? Wanna hear what the man say? It is time for hold the leader them accountable. And that the man say, and stop make excuses. Just like what for him people them a do. Get up every day and make excuses for Andrew Holness. I know say Andrew Holness need to hold accountable for everything. Hey, this a man under investigation, you know. This a man breach the law, you know. 3 years now, this a man you know declaring asset, you know. Hey, this a man need to hold accountable for all these things. And not only that, taxpayer money, where that a go. So he need to hold accountable for everything. I himself him attack. This is why I say me have to come show on this, you know. Me have to come make on hear what I go on. Because everything what Andrew Holness is saying about himself, himself him attack. Hey, if you don't listen, I true enough of you don't have vision. A lot of people will come over here do not have a vision and can't see very far. If you don't notice, everything what Andrew Holness I do and I say, it's about him. I want to take in more and then we elaborate. Hear this.
Stop making excuses. Otherwise, go elect the people who really run in the country.
You know hear when he say stop making excuses, otherwise go and elect the people them who really around the country. This is why I tell you say Mark Golding is the real leader. You know why? Whole of Mark Golding ideas and vision, you see Andrew Holness take it and run with it. So Mark Golding has to be the real leader behind this. I'm the leader, you know, my viewers and subscribers. So what Andrew Holness say, it's the truth. I true not read between the lines. Read between the lines. Andrew Holness knows that he's not a good man. He know that. And he knows that him need to held accountable for everything. He know that. This is something I'm telling you, know, my viewers and subscribers. This a man, he have to expose himself, you know. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about this, you know. Tell me what you think about what Andrew Holness just say, you know. Because, listen, he know say him and no leader. He know say he no ideas, he not have no plans. You understand? For Jamaica. He always take away Mark Golding plan. And he know say always take it away. That's why he come in the House of Parliament and say anybody will come up with ideas, he might go TV. You never hear that, my wisdom warriors. Una tell me what you think. Put una honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Una big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.